Hello everyone, good morning today. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, now I want to read some article about two Bitcoin price prediction for some outcomes 10 BTC is coming. While a classic technical indicator fall are behind at BTC price falling below 30,000 as well. Bitcoin BTC investor in China plans to buy the deep size and ongoing market correction and a nationwide crypto ban, a new survey showed. A survey of 2,000 of 2,200 people conducted of China-based social media platform Weibo found that 8% will buy Bitcoin when its price is 80,000 according to Wu Bitcoin, while 26% of the respondents refer to wait until BTC reaches 50,000, but a majority anticipated the price to fall even further, with 40% saying they will buy BTC at 10,000. In survey of more than uh, 2,200 people conducted in China's crypto community on Weibo say 8% of the voters believed the Bitcoin and Ethereum could be buy the dip when the price reaches. China's investor more continuous odds on Bitcoin than US. Interestingly, another survey conducted by Cambridge MLIV opposed yearly in July yielded a similar outcome with 60% of the net 950 respondents on Wall Street calling for a 10,000 Bitcoin price. The two polls show striking similarity in the bearish sentiments of crypto speculators in the United States and China. Neither tellers on chain activity show that investors in the US have been more bullish on Bitcoin versus their Asian counterparts since June 2022. Bitcoin Friday trend line near 20 as US dollar index is near 20-year high. In particular, Bitcoin's month-to-month price change, which tracks the 30-day change in the regional BTC price, has been positive only during US session. Conversely, the metric has only been negative during Asian trading hours, thus from Glassnode show. Technical indicators hint at BTC price below. Simultaneously, weakening technical are all starting to support further downside, particularly on the larger 3-day time frame. Bitcoin has been forming a potential bear flag pattern that could result in a drop below 30,000 by September as illustrated above. As Telegraph reported, presented macroeconomic headwinds over BTC or USD continue to fuel various arguments against increasing and evidence of a possible price bottom. BTC or USD 3-day price chart featuring Billflag setup source trading view. Bitcoin month-over-month price change chart Glassnode. The views and opinions expressed here are solely those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the views of Cointelegraph.com. Every investment and trading move involves risk. You should conduct your own research when making addition. Okay, thank you for your attention and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, I'm sorry for mistake. Goodbye.